So I've been seeing this comment a lot in one of my posts. And it's true, I'm making dollars, so obviously everything will feel cheap to me. But what I've been realizing that I have been doing is expressing how everything is so cheap when I speak in general. And what I mean by that is like when I'm talking to my American friends, I'm like, yo, look how cheap this is. And then when I'm talking to my Colombian friends, I'm like, oh my God, it's so cheap. And then my Colombian friends are like, cheap for you. And I've had that feeling before being on the other side. I remember when I was living in LA and I had friends of mine. They'd be flying down from Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar. And when they would come, they would fly down their cars, literally their Bugattis, LaFerrari, all that stuff. And I remember they used to say to me all the time, oh my God, LA was so cheap. We used to go to London and da-da-da-da. And I'm looking at them like, I don't even make the same amount as one of your cars. And I remember having this feeling of like, how they wouldn't know. This is all they know. But like, same time, and I guess that's how people feel when they see me in this content. So my goal now is to, one, still talk about what I see and what I experience, but keep in mind that other people won't be able to experience this, and I shouldn't slap them in the face by saying, oh my God, this is so cheap and blah, 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 blah. And the second thing is to find a way to give back to the people that I'm literally being in their environment. I don't have it all figured out yet, but I want to talk from my heart and speak my truth. So if y'all have any ideas, put it in the comment, but keep watching for more tips. Bye.